Hi guys. All right, today talking about inflammation. So, inflammation might not sound like that big of a deal, but if your body is chronically inflamed, this can lead to serious trouble down the road. So, inflammation is the body's just normal response to repairing damaged tissue and protecting itself from foreign invaders like bacteria or viruses. In fact, we actually need a little bit of inflammation, a certain level in the body to be healthy. The issue comes in, you need to understand the difference between chronic inflammation and acute inflammation. Acute inflammation is absolutely necessary to help protect us and heal us from injury or infection. So, with inflammation, basically your body's immune system sends out white blood cells and other chemicals to whatever injured area there is or virus there is to fight off potentially harmful foreign bodies. If you've ever gotten a cut or an infection, then you've definitely experienced this response. You know your body is trying to fight it when you see redness or warmth, pain, swelling, that kind of stuff in the injured area. That's inflammation trying to fight it. So, but when inflammation becomes chronic, meaning there's usually no symptoms that you can see until you experience a loss of function. Chronic inflammation is a slow and systematic process that silently damages your tissue until you notice the major result of the disease. And often that's almost too late sometimes to fix the damage that's done. So this process can persist for years or until you finally are diagnosed with something significant like heart disease, cancer, Alzheimer's disease, health problems like heart disease, stroke, obesity, migraines, cancer, chronic pain, thyroid disease, diabetes, dental issues, ADD, ADHD, Crohn's disease, rheumatoid arthritis, multiple sclerosis, all are rooted in chronic inflammation. In fact, you could argue that without chronic inflammation, almost all disease around the world would not even exist. Let that sink in. Chronic inflammation is caused largely by an unhealthy lifestyle. It is the result of malfunctioning or overreactive immune system or an underlying problem that the body's trying to fight. Things that increase the harmful type of inflammation include chronically eating an unhealthy omega-3 to omega-6 ratio and consuming too much sugar. So omega-6 fatty acids are inflammatory, while omega-3 fatty acids are anti-inflammatory. So in order to help reduce chronic inflammation, we should be consuming healthy fats like animal-based omega-3 fats or the essential fatty acids like GLAs and CLAs found in grass-fed meats. The good news is that with intermittent fasting, it's been proven to decrease inflammation, thereby preventing a lot of these chronic diseases. So in a study done by the Internal Journal of Obesity, they found that intermittent fasting was effective in reducing cholesterol, triglycerides, and blood pressure. All of these things are big causes of inflammation in the body and can be devastating to one's health. The research really shows how powerful intermittent fasting can be at combating stressful environments and really getting to the bottom of this inflammatory disaster and then reversing it.